Instagram chatbots can be a powerful tool to increase your business's sales and profits in a few key ways. Unlike human staff, chatbots can answer customer questions and engage with potential buyers any time of day, even outside of business hours. This ensures you capture leads and address concerns when interest is high. Chatbots can provide quick and personalized responses to inquiries, guide customers through the buying process, and offer product recommendations. This smooth experience keeps customers happy and more likely to convert. Chatbots can qualify leads by gathering information and preferences, then route them to sales reps or initiate automated sales processes. This streamlines lead nurturing and conversion. Chatbots can leverage customer data to offer targeted promotions and suggest complementary products, increasing the average order value. Here's a simplified look at creating an Instagram chatbot using SendPulse. Create a SendPulse account or log in. You can use the link in the description to try SendPulse. Go to Chatbots and click Add New Chatbot. Choose Instagram Direct and follow the steps to link your Instagram account. Craft a welcoming message that introduces your chatbot and its functionalities. Set up a basic conversation flow using SendPulse drag-and-drop interface. You can include options for common questions or have the bot greet users and ask about their interests. If you have an online store, connect your e-commerce platform to SendPulse. This allows the chatbot to provide product details, initiate checkouts, and handle basic order inquiries. Remember, an effective chatbot requires ongoing development. Monitor user interactions, gather feedback, and refine your chatbot's responses over time to optimize its performance and maximize its impact on sales and profits. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try SendPulse.